Hi, tutor. Regards. I am happy to be here with you. My name is Wilson Daza. I am foreign language student from the UNAD. I am 40 years old. I am working in the produce, especially coffee. I am from the city Popayan, but now that living in Pitalito City. I am six brothers, two sisters, and three daughters. I am married. My wife is housewife. Her name is Vivian Licenia. I had two children, and one daughter and one son. In my spare time, I like to read book and I like play soccer, watch movies, watch television. I like Colombian food, but I don't like Mexican food. I'm sorry, because it's very spicy. My favorite color is blue because it's my mom's favorite color. I love having pets. I had three dogs and one cat. I learning my level of English at the university, but also watch video, listen to music, reading books, watch movies. I try to practice every day. I am improving my level. My experience what the teacher has very important because I have been to learn a lot from this process. The students I teach are very happy because they say that's my way of teaching is very funny and they learn a lot. Thank you, teacher, for your attention in this video. Bye bye.